So we are in Embu. We came to check the work that has been done by our technicians. They have been installing these cages here in Embu County. Yes, this is the work that they have done. They've done a perfect job. The cages look very beautiful. There are 16 units. There are 4 tier. Each cubicle will hold 4 birds. This is how one cubicle looks like. And that is the drinking nipple right there. Those are the traps. This is the water system. These are water tanks. We normally have 2 types of water systems. We have the water tank and we have the water regulators. So for this particular customer, we install the water tanks. So these 16 units are going to hold 2,048 birds. Look at that. The quality of the mesh is perfect. This mesh is electro-galvanized, hot dipped, which means that it cannot rust. You know, chicken, litter, or feces are highly corrosive. But with a mesh that is galvanized, it ensures that the durability of the cage, it will stay for a long time, and that that customer will be able to reap the maximum benefits from the cage. So look at this. Look at the traps. They are wide enough to hold enough feeds, so there's not going to be any wastage of feeds here. As you know, one of the benefits of the layers cages is space maximization. So this particular house will hold 2,048 birds, but it still has a capacity of holding more. And the other benefit is that this customer is in her farm. So she's going to use the manure in the farm because she's going to be getting pure manure droppings that are going to drop here. Yeah. Then the eggs are going to roll here. So the bird stays there, the egg rolls here. This is where the egg rolls. This is the egg tray. These are the feeders. These are the drinkers. So they peck here and water comes out. Yeah, as you can see. That is the tank. She has an outside tank that is feeding into these tanks. So when the birds take water directly, it means there's no contamination. There's no wastage of eggs. There's no wastage of feeds. And this translates into profits for the client. I am happy with the installation. I am excited. I can't wait for her to put the birds here. And then she starts her journey to poultry farming. The technicians have done a wonderful job, and I'm happy with the installation.